part of it is that people with developmental disabilities are kind of hidden from society. Unless you know someone or have a family member with a developmental disability, you might not see this population.
Meg Pickersgill is a nurse in Toronto and is advocating for people with developmental disabilities who were overlooked during phase 1 of the vaccination rollout. Pickersgill has seen this population get overlooked time after time firsthand, as her sister is a part of that community and lives in a group home.
And group homes have a lot of the same risk factors as long-term care homes. They have multiple staff coming in and out every day. And some of the people that live in these group homes who have developmental disabilities also might not understand how to properly social distance or wear a mask. So it's a really vulnerable group. We also know that people with developmental disabilities have a higher risk of being hospitalized and dying of COVID. It's actually the second highest risk factor after age.
We reached out to the province, and in a statement they said that phase 1 of our vaccine rollout is nearing completion and has been focused on ensuring our most vulnerable populations and those with the greatest risk of illness and death, such as long-term care residents, receive the vaccine as quickly as possible. Since then, we have offered first doses to every long-term care home resident who wants one and have almost completed second doses. In addition, as of March 26, approximately 74% of individuals aged 80 plus had received at least one dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. During phase 2, individuals with specific health conditions such as disabilities and people who live and work in congregate settings will be eligible for vaccination.
Well, my concern is that phase 2 includes so many people, and I'm worried that people with disabilities will once again be pushed to the back of the line because they don't know how to navigate the website, or maybe they don't have the time to spend on the phone for hours waiting for an appointment. Other regions in Ontario are vaccinating people with disabilities who live in group homes. It's really Toronto that is not. And right now we're hearing concerns that there are outbreaks at group homes in Toronto. And so and especially with the new variants, we just want to make sure our loved ones are safe.
In the province's framework, phase 2 will begin in April, which the province says will vaccinate approximately 9 million people meeting phase 2 requirements. In Toronto, I'm Brandon Rowe for City News.